Getting stuck on a project means losing time, money, and momentum. But imagine if you could instantly connect with the right expert right when you need them. Tapley is the micro-consulting marketplace that makes learning and earning as easy as calling a cab, where sessions are metered by the minute because every minute counts. There are two ways to find help on Tapley. The first option is to browse experts across 5 categories and message providers directly. In the chat room, you can discuss your project, update your rate, and kick off a session all in one convenient place. Your other option is to post a request and let the perfect experts come to you. Select a category, include any helpful details or images, and your request will appear on the home feed of the providers most qualified to help. You'll get notified when a new bid arrives. Check the My Request tab to see your inbound bids along with the provider's rate and availability. When a provider is available, a call button appears letting you start a session with one click. There are no upfront costs, no red tape, just the right expert right when you need them. When the provider answers, the grace period will start counting down, giving everyone time to get comfortable. The grace period is customizable, and the meter only starts after it expires. When you need a bigger screen, you can move the session to your desktop by entering the code at tapley.us, where you can share your screen and add participants. You can end the session at any time, so you pay only for the minutes that matter. At Tapley, we believe everyone is an expert at something, so why not get paid for it? When you add skills to your profile, your feed will fill up with requests tailored to your expertise. Simply swipe left to skip or swipe right to place a bid. You control your rate and grace period with each individual. When you switch your status to on call, anybody with an open bid can call you. When the session ends, you'll receive a session summary and your earnings will appear in your Tapley wallet. You can immediately use those funds to pay for other experts on the platform. So don't wait until the next time you're in a jam. Join Tapley and start turning minutes into mastery today.